Hello students, now I am giving here some of important questions regarding to the topics which you have studied earlier. Now here about the plasmids, and you know very well about the plasmids, that what are the plasmids and how are they functions for the cells. Okay, so here the answer is also given with question ki apart from genomic DNA, bacterial cell contain smaller circular DNA. So I have told you earlier that these are circular DNA. Okay, सर्कुलर डीएनए क्लियर। तो जो सर्कुलर डीएनए होते हैं एक्स्ट्रा, दोज आर प्लाज्मिड सर्कुलर डीएनए। तो एक्स्ट्रा सर्कुलर जो डीएनए होते हैं सेल में, दोज ऑल आर द प्लाज्मिड। क्लियर। सो दे स्पेशली फंक्शन ओके लाइक एंटीबायोटिक रेजिस्टेंस, यानी कि जो जितने बैक्टीरिया होते हैं उनकी एंटीबायोटिक या केमिकल से प्रोटेक्शन करने में भी हेल्प करते हैं। एंड ऑल्सो लाइक these plasmid will help in other kind of the functions like in ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द बैक्टीरिया। ओके, दूसरी बैक्टीरिया में जाकर के उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म कर देते हैं। तो इस तरह के फंक्शंस यहाँ पर गिवन है। ओके, तो यू मस्ट हैव टू राइट फ्रॉम हियर। नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग, हियर द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन about prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, the difference. So I have also told earlier about the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, the difference, and I have told you earlier that in prokaryotic cells the membrane bonds organelles are absent. So these all are the membrane bound organelles. Okay, ये सभी absent होंगे prokaryotic में, but these are present in eukaryotic cells. This is the main difference. Okay, and next is circular DNA is present while linear DNA is present in eukaryotic cell. And I have told you also that nucleus well developed in eukaryotic. U means well developed nucleus and pro means primitive kind of nucleus, yani ki the nucleus is not well developed. Okay, so this is about the difference of prokaryotic cell. Next thing, these are some of differences also here given, like राइबोसोम्स 70 टाइप्स, 70 टाइप, क्योंकि आई हैव टोल्ड यू अर्लियर दैट राइबोसोम की भी टाइप होती है। तो 70 टाइप ऑफ राइबोसोम प्रेजेंट प्रोकार्योटिक सेल एंड ऑल्सो 80 एस राइबोसोम प्रेजेंट इन यूकार्योटिक सेल्स। फ्लैजेला आर सिंपल while flagella are special in eukaryotic cells. Okay, so this is about, and especially the cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan or mucopeptide, but the composition is very complex in eukaryotic cell. Okay, you can see different name are given of chemicals, lignin, cellulose, hemicellulose. So these all things are present. Okay, but cell wall is absent in animal cells. Clear? This is about the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, the differences. Okay, these all things we have discussed earlier, but I am giving the questions regarding the topics that you can clear, and you can understand very well about the given topics also again. Okay, this is again here about gram positive and gram negative. So I have told you also that gram positive and gram negative bacteria, these are on the basis of gram staining, and gram is the name of the scientist. Okay, this is the name of the scientist. So on the basis of gram staining, that he differentiate gram positive, gram negative bacteria. So those bacteria, those will take the stain called gram positive, while the other bacteria does not take the stain called gram negative bacteria. And the cell wall is thick, that's why gram positive. Cell wall is thin, that's why gram negative also. And pili, you know very well that pili, I have told you earlier, pili are, these are the fibers like structure help in sexual reproduction. So these are only in present in gram negative bacteria, while the pili are absent in gram positive. Mesosome are absent in gram negative and present in gram positive. Okay, you have to remember these all things. Okay, next thing about like cell wall and cell membrane composition. So you know that cell membrane is especially made up of protein and fats, water. Okay, and you will study later also about the cell membrane composition, about the fluid mosaic model. Fluid mosaic model you will study later here. Okay, in next topic. So we will discuss it again in detail, about the structure of cell membrane. And you must have to remember about the composition of cell wall. Cell wall made up of cellulose. Okay, and selectable permeable is not, and the cell membrane is selectable permeable. These all are the things regarding to this. Okay, next, mesosome you know very well. Okay, this is about the mesosome. So what are the mesosomes? You know that mesosome, these are the place for energy producing. It means places for एनर्जी. ओके, यानी कि यहाँ पर एटीपी का फॉर्मेशन होगा, एंड ऑल्सो दिस सिंथेसाइज द सेल वॉल एंड ऑल्सो द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. तो हेयर दीज आर द प्लेस फॉर एनर्जी प्रोड्यूसिंग. यानी कि मीसोसोम दीज आर फाउंड बाय you know that by extension of plasma membrane, and all respiratory mechanism will be here. That's why the energy will be produced here. तो एनर्जी यहाँ पर प्रोड्यूस होगी मीसोसोम में. तो these are the place for respiration. यहाँ पर these are the place of respiration. Okay, these all things about you have to remember, you have to write in your copy. Okay, I think that you can understood very well about these all things. Okay, thank you.